So, if you watched my channel for a little while, or at least seen some of my other videos, I went and did a bit of a splurge at the hardware store and picked up a few things. Now, today what I have here is a battery tester. This one, how to put it, this was an impulse buy for about $5. Now, I can't pronounce that name properly, the brand, but this used to be quite big, at least down here. Haven't seen them for a long time though, so seeing this for sale, I'm thinking, ooh, yeah, $5, screw it. Now, let's get it open. So the thing that really attracted me to this was the analog panel meter in here. And I'm wondering whether or not it might be worth going and spending $15 and getting 3 more of these just for that panel meter. Yeah, get out of there. Alright, so here's my question. How long has this been sitting there being unused, because this does not look recent? Although it is made in China, but things have been made there for years now. Alright, I'm going to have to pause this for a sec. Okay, got some batteries, got a screwdriver. 2 things I should have grabbed before. Well, multiple, but whatever. So, now according to this, if I'm correct, I need to be reading the top bar, not the bottom one, because the bottom one's for coin cells. Yeah, I had it around the wrong way. Alright, so that's good. That one's going to get thrown out. There's a battery recycling place. Well, it's more of a shop that sells batteries. It also does replacing. Okay, so that's definitely no good. Oop, wrong way. I'm going to say no with that one. And what about you? Yeah, you're no good. Alright, we're not surprised with that. Now let's take a look inside. I have a feeling the mount that I've got my camera on probably needs to be moved further away. Ooh, wow. Wow. Yeah, you know, I think I might actually try to grab another 2 or 3 of these. Out of that, you stupid. There we go. Ooh. Did I lose those screws? Yep. Wow. Maybe 1. Wow, this is so old. Wow, this is so old. I mean, usually nowadays you'd be expecting like a, can't think of it now, a little PCBs these resistors would be mounted to, but no, they literally just tacked on there. There's nothing wrong with it, just never thought I'd actually see this sort of thing. Oh, that solved my curiosity, didn't it? So the whole point towards me buying more of these would be being able to take this top case off without it snapping and replacing that in there. But I might just buy one and build a little project where I can test batteries out. I could use this one, but I'd rather keep it original. Too bad I pulled it apart already. Oh, this is weird. Alright, let's get you back in there. I'm no good with resistors, so bleh. So I gotta be careful when reassembling this, because if I pinch that wire, compromise the whole thing. So that's how it goes in. Alright. Going like that, you little bloody... There. Wow, that is just using the resistor to connect up. Simplicity at its finest. Alright, no, I screwed that up. So I need to pull that out of here like that. I need to twist that one around, sink it in like that, put that down, that like that. Hope to God that I don't pinch that red wire. Put you in there. So the only thing I'm worried about is the tension on here eventually causing the negative lead to break off. There we go. I have to wonder if this was originally designed by the company itself or by some mob in China. It was just rebadged and sold here like this. Considering how old it is, who knows? May well have been designed by someone in the West. Actually, I don't even know anything about the damn company. All I remember is that it used to be quite common to see stuff like it at the hardware store. Alright, let's find out if I broke it. So negative, positive, and... Nope, still works. So actually, let's test the ones in my remote. Ooh. Nah, it's running low. That one's good. So these two are similar, so I'll put you in here. So this is a... Now, this is where things get a little confusing for me. So, on the back here it says BAT01. Down here it says BT168. On the packaging it's BAT01. So something funny's going on here, isn't it? Ooh, 9 volt. That's a good 9 volt battery. I don't know what I was doing then. Anyway, this has been a unboxing, a test, and a teardown of a Arlec battery tester. Blah. Oh look, you got instructions on the back. Oh well, anyway, thanks for watching. Yibbity yibba.